Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Lydia and this is Lydia's Kitchen. If it's your first time here, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make eggplant sauce or stew served with boiled plantain or ampesi. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. So let's get started. So over here I have my eggplants, chopped onion, 4 eggs, chopped tomatoes, and also I have the seasoning. I have curry powder, paprika powder and seasoning stocks cube, crushed onion, mackerel in tomato sauce and some salt. So in the saucepan I will start by boiling the eggplants. Cover and let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now in another saucepan add about half a cup of oil on a low to medium heat, then fry the garlic and ginger for about 1 minute and also give it a stir. So now go ahead and add in the chopped tomatoes. Give it a stir and cover it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll continue by adding in the spice or seasoning and I'll give it a stir and cover to cook for 1 minute. Now give it a stir and add in the mackerel and also cover it to cook for a minute. Now in a small bowl, I'll whisk the eggs and add it to the sauce and I'll gently stir it, cover it to cook for a few minutes. And please make sure not to overstir the eggs because you want it nice and chunky. Now cover it and let it cook for about 2 minutes and then continue by adding in the eggplants. So give it a stir, cover it, and then let it cook for a few minutes. Then add in the chopped onion for crunchiness. Now our eggplant sauce is done. So I'll be serving it with boiled plantain, and you can also serve it with yam or rice. And I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.